Ever wondered if those dusty books on your shelf could turn into extra cash or even kickstart your own Amazon business? Well, wonder no more. Selling books on Amazon is not only a fantastic way to make money, but also a low-cost way to begin your journey into the world of online business. The best part is you can start for free by selling those old books you thought were just collecting dust. Now, let's dive into the basics of how to find books to sell on Amazon without breaking the bank. Your first goldmine is your own old books. The easiest way to get started is by looking around your house. Consider those textbooks, rare or niche topics, and non-fiction books. While mass-produced fiction might not be the best bet, other genres can bring in some extra bucks. If you run out of your own books to sell, no worries, we've got more tricks up our sleeve. 1. Library sales. Imagine a treasure hunt, but for books. Libraries often host sales, and there's always one happening somewhere. Armed with a book scanner and a scanning app, you can quickly identify books with good resale potential. These apps help calculate your potential profit after costs and Amazon fees. 2. Online arbitrage. Some sellers practice online arbitrage, where they find books at lower prices on websites other than Amazon and sell them for a profit. You can scout for used books on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and more. Note: stick to reselling used books unless you have a legitimate source for new books. 3. Bulk purchase, wholesale. If you're ready for a more significant investment, consider purchasing entire collections of books online. Websites such as eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook frequently feature bulk lots at exceptionally low prices. However, exercise caution. Ensure that the books you're buying are unsorted to avoid ending up with someone else's less valuable selections. This way, your investment remains a smart and profitable choice for building up your Amazon book-selling venture. 4. Free books. Ever thought about getting books without spending a dime? Well, platforms like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace might have just what you're looking for. People often share their books for free, and all you need to do is pick them up. But here's the thing, be a bit careful. Sometimes folks giving away free books are actually sellers trying to clear out the ones that didn't sell. So while free books are awesome, it's smart to take a moment and check. Make sure the books are in good shape and have the potential to be sold later on Amazon. This way, you're not just getting free books, you're building up your own little book business. In a nutshell, selling used books on Amazon is a simple and rewarding side business opportunity. With a massive audience, easy-to-use platforms, and potential for profit through smart buying strategies, anyone can jump into this venture. Transform your love for books into a money-making adventure, offering affordable literary treasures to fellow readers. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, a thumbs up and a subscribe would mean a lot for me. Don't miss out on future content by hitting the notification bell. As you can see, this channel is new, so your feedback and comments are invaluable. See you next time.